my phone! Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, so it's Q&A day. And yeah, without further ado, I will just go ahead and read the questions para mas marami tayong makover ng questions. First question is from Bunny Retana. Miss Rhaze, do you still plan to pursue your nursing profession or would you prefer venturing into other career paths? But whatever road you decide to take place, continue to do videos and take us with you in your daily adventures. Char! For now, I honestly do not have plans. Kung ano lang yung mangyari, yun yung i-grab ko. At the moment, hindi ko muna iniisip yung nursing career ko. Though merong mga plano na pag-uusapan na, you know, in the future, I would love to do this and do that. From Casey Abelio, do you recommend to use Epilator? Is it good? Painful? I'm planning to buy Epilator but I want to hear your comment about it. It is painful. Just imagine, yung plucking, di ba, pa isa-isang buhok. Yung Epilator, maraming buhok siyang nakukuha at once. So it's basically I don't have it with me right now. I'm gonna post a picture right here. I actually just did a story time video about my laser experience and I kind of touch a little bit about Epilator. I'm pretty sure the video will be uploaded after this video. Yeah, masakit siya, but masasanay ka. Do I recommend it? Yes, I've been epilating for years now and I like it. Nasanay na ako sa sakit. Hindi mawawala yung sakit, but masasanay ka sa sakit for sure. Na-notice ko naman na nagtithin na yung tubo ng hair ko and hindi na siya as in ganun kadaming tumutubo na buhok. So, yeah. From Leia Villanueva, may bala ka na bang mag-solo sa buhay? I mean, kumuha na apartment para solo flight ka. Yung situation ko right now is just perfect. I'm with my family. I just literally spend a lot of money just to get this house done. Like, might as well use it and be in it, right? I just don't feel the need na magbukod right now because bakit ako magbubukod, diba? Kung meron naman akong bahay na tinitirhan na bonggang-bongga din naman. That's for now though. Who knows what the future holds for me, diba? From Zai Kaalim, ano pong gamit yung lip balm? Ang ganda kasi ng lips niyo. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nagsasabi na maganda yung lips ko. Ang dami-dami nagtanong nito kung anong lip balm ginagamit ko. It is the Tokyo Milk Dark Lip Balm. This is in the shade. This is salted caramel and sobrang bango nito, guys. I got this from my Ipsy bag nung nasa US pa ako. Ang dami-dami pa niya ng bonggang-bongga and I use it like every single night talaga before ako matulog. I'm not sure if you can find it here though, pero meron na naman tayong Sephora dito sa Pilipinas, diba? So, siguro nandun to dun. Not sure, but yeah, that's that. From Rowan Camille Nocello, would you ever visit Alaska? Does it snow in Cayman? Alaska is not on my list. Cayman, hindi nagsusnow doon. Sobrang init doon, you guys. Mas mainit pa sa Pilipinas. Grabe, ang item ko nung nandun ako. Walang snow doon, I wish though. From Rhaze Kunanan, kailan po ulit kayo magkikita ng Mr. Bear? I actually do not know when yet, pero hopefully soon. Wala pang final date. As in, sobra. Crossing my fingers talaga ng bonggang-bongga. From Evie Pagaling, hi Ate Rhaze, I just wanna ask lang po kung kumusta na yung problem mo with your car. This is actually one of the topics na as in I really don't wanna talk about yet because magiging emotional lang ako, tapos magagalit lang din ako kasi maiisip ko yung nangyari. You guys, kapag sure na talaga ako na okay na ako magsalita about it, I will share it to you guys because I would love to tell you what happened. Like, siguro after mga 6 months and parang as in assure ko na talaga na okay na lahat, magsasalita ako and I will share with you guys what happened because you guys will not freaking believe. Like, From Maria Gia Panaon, anong mas okay sa oily face? BB cream or liquid foundation? At anong maisasuggest mo? Personally, what works for me best is CC cream and my favorite CC cream as of the moment is the Mary Kay CC cream. Kung hindi nyo naman kailangan ng coverage, your face doesn't really need foundation. Like in my opinion lang ha, nagdadagdag lang siya ng layer sa skin mo, makapal, though hindi lahat ng foundation makapal, but you know, nandun yung ganong consistency ng foundation na iba talaga sa CC cream, BB cream. Kaya ngayon, pa CC cream na ako. I do not have any CC cream, BB cream foundation on right now though. Just my Snow Skin Whitening Cream and parang na siyang CC cream na effect sa akin. Bonggang-bongga yon. From Rovi May Maputi, kung ma-stuck ka sa isang island, sinong YouTuber ang gusto mong isama and why? Foreign at Pinay YouTuber. Foreign YouTuber, gusto ko isama si Trisha Paytas. I watch her every single day. She's a blonde, curvy girl. Gusto ko lang siya. Pinay YouTuber, gusto ko sana sabihin si Anne, kaya lang ayokong mawalay si Anne sa pamilya niya. Ayoko siya isama sa island, nakakaloka. So, wag na si Anne. Doon na siya sa pamilya niya kasi kailangan siya ni Ju. Si Miss Say na lang kasi diba nagpa-vlog siya daily. So, yun, magpa-vlog kami sa island ng bonggang-bongga. feeling close. From Kim Lourdes, paano pa kayo gumaling mag-English? I actually do not know, you guys. Elementary and high school, public school kasi ako. And nothing against public school, ha. Hindi kasi must sa amin na mag-English doon. Like, you know, compared sa private na you need to speak in English during your English subject. Sa school namin, hindi. And that was my time, ha. Hindi ko alam kung naiba na nila ngayon. Tapos, hindi din ako nanonood ng English movies. Nung bata ako, you guys, lagi ako nasa labas. Lagi ako naglalaro sa labas. So, naalala ko, nung elementary at saka high school ako, gusto ko magbasa ng mga English. Not like reading and comprehending at the same time. Not that kind of reading. Like, just reading English words lang. Gusto ko mag-pronounce ng English words. Gusto ko basahin siya. But, I suck at grammar. And yung mga technicalities ng English subject, I suck at it. Like, hindi ako magaling sa ganyan at all. Tapos, my parents din, hindi din sila nag-i-English. Hindi marunong mag-English yung papa ko. Yung mama ko, hindi rin marunong mag-English. So, hindi ko alam. From Jenny B. Toge, hi Miss Rhaze, ano pang bansa ang gusto mong puntahan? First of all, I wanna go to Australia. Before talaga, pag tinanong ako nito, sasabihin ko talaga, I wanna go to Paris. But you know, with all the things going on sa Europe right now, Paris parang, gusto ko parang pumunta, but not now. Pero gusto ko pumunta sa Japan. Yes! Magja-Japan kami ni Mr. Bear. Hindi ko alam kung kailan pa. Basta magja-Japan kami during spring para makita yung mga cherry blossoms ng bonggang-bongga. From Kentrich 12, hi Ate Rhaze, ask ko lang po kung saan ka sa Leyte nakapasyal. Tsaka na-try mo na bang pasyalan ang Lake Danau, Kalangaman Island, Canigao Island, Hindang Cave at iba pa? We went to Canigao Island. I'm not sure if we went to Lake Danau. Kalangaman Island, I don't think we went there. And Hindang Cave, I don't think we went there either. Pero nagpunta kami sa Canigao Island. Oh my gosh, ang ganda-ganda ng Canigao. Perfect. From Maria Eunice, most memorable moments when you were in high school. Hindi kasi ako part ng first section. And yung first section, nandun yung mga pinakamatatalino. So, nasa second section ako. Kasi hindi naman ako matalino. Kahit na nasa second section ako, naging part ako ng overall na mga honors. And I was like, dang, really? Yeah, so yun yung pinaka-memorable moment ko because I wasn't expecting that at all na magiging part ako ng overall honors talaga. From Super Elesnacy, sino ang favorite love team mo local and why? Kanino ka mas nagagandahan? Kay Liza Soberano, Nadine Lustre, Maine Mendoza, or Catherine Bernardo? Si Catherine Bernardo yung pinaka-nagagandahan ko sa kanila because I'm a big fan of Katniel. So yeah, Katniel ako all the way. From Junjun Nakabante, hi ate, since di mo nasagot yung last question ko kasi di ka gumagamit ng SG products, name 2 Holy Grail makeup products na lang po. Eyebrow product at saka lipstick. Yun yung dalawang Holy Grail ko na kahit mawala na lahat, masawag lang yung eyebrow product at saka yung lipstick ko, okay na ako. From Phoebe Bufay, how often do you pluck your eyebrows? I pluck them once every 2 weeks. Minsan nga nakakalimutan ko na sila kasi hindi naman ganun ka-bushy yung eyebrows ko. Hindi din siya like yung hairs din ng eyebrows ko, hindi siya makakapal. So parang hindi siya napapansin. Once every 2 weeks. Once every 3 weeks, ganun. From Katrina P, I'm planning to go to Thailand. Hindi ba mahigpit yung immigration sa airport natin? How much money ba need na dala? Or mga usual na tanong sa immigration natin dito. My goodness. Immigration in the Philippines is not my favorite at all. Sa lahat ng immigration na napuntahan ko, yung Philippines yung pinaka-stricto. As in you guys, nakapunta ko ng US, Brazil, pero yung Philippines talaga walang katulad yung ka-stricto ng Philippines. They don't usually ask how much money you have. I mean, they sometimes ask, pero you're not allowed to show your money or they will not ask you to show your money. That's just, I think, illegal. Pag lumalabas ako ng bansa, hindi na naman nila tinatanong kung ilang pera dala ko. Like, ngayon, okay na kasi marami na akong stamp sa passport ko. Na dire-diretso na lang ako. Meron lang silang mga konting tanong like, ilang araw ka doon, ganun-ganon. Tatanungin nila for sure kung meron kang trabaho dito sa Pilipinas para sure sila na babalik ka. And they might ask for your work ID. Yeah, yung mga main questions lang talaga is ilang days ka doon, saan ka magsistay. Make sure na dadalhin mo yung copy ng hotel reservation mo, showing the dates na nandun ka sa hotel na yon, and make sure na may maipapakita kang return ticket. Yung pinaka-importante lang is ma-prove mo sa kanila na babalik ka talaga, na as in turista ka lang talaga sa Thailand. Kapag meron silang tanong, huwag mong ipakita na kinakabahan ka, baka magduda sila, dalhin ka sa office nila, tapos i-interrogate ka ng bonggang-bongga. Nangyari na sa akin yan. My gosh, if you want me to do a story time video, my immigration experience, like, you guys. It's crazy. From Pamela Denise, Hi Ate Rhaze, nahihirapan po ba kayo sa LDR niyo na Mr. Bear? Any advice po sa LDR? Seaman po kasi boyfriend ko and this month alis na siya. Aww, that is so sad. Mahirap siya, pero hindi as in sobrang hirap na, oh my gosh, maghiwalay na tayo, nahihirapan ako. Not to the point na ganun. As long as may tiwala kayo sa isa't isa, you should not have any problems at all. Sa amin kasi, may mga plano naman kami na magkikita kami ulit. Hindi naman kami LDR forever. Meron kami mga nilulook forward na gawin together. So, hindi siya ganun kahirap. Yung lagi na lang namin iniisip is like soon. Magkakasama din tayo soon. Make sure na the communication is there. Make sure you trust him and make sure he trusts you. From Ella Seth, binili niyo po ba yung Sony Vegas or download lang for free? Saan niyo po na-download? Thank you. Sony Vegas Pro is so freaking expensive. Like, way too much. Dinownload ko siya for free. Hindi ko na maalala kung saang channel ko siya nakita. But you guys, search nyo lang sa YouTube how to download Sony Vegas Pro for free. You will see it. May mga instruction kung paano nyo siya i-download. As in, ang dami-dami. And yung free ko na ginagamit ngayon is okay na okay pa naman so far. And that was the last question, you guys. If you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A video, please do not forget to leave your question below with the hashtag askrhaze, and I will do my best to answer. That's basically it for this video. Oh my gosh, it's so hot already. I need to stop and get some food because I'm hungry. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget me. Goodbye.